All right, so it's Wednesday morning, early afternoon now. Welcome to the 2024 first generation Monte Carlo Club Eastern meet. I drove my Vista Cruiser wagon to the Monte Carlo meet this year. It's got good working vintage air and just a good dependable car, and hadn't really had a chance to get it out on the road like that. Wanted to do it, so I used the opportunity. It's the GM Nationals we're at, so I'll just have to park this with the Oldsmobiles, but still gonna be supporting the club here, and got my grill badge and all that in. But a lot of them went out to Gettysburg this morning. Been out here cleaning the car up. We got a few more showing up. There's a J Monday's car, 70 with ghost flames. So anyway, looking forward to a good weekend up here. So we'll bring you the Eastern meet and the Eastern meet video vlog.
That was not coffee.
Clearly he wanted those for his.
Oh yeah, but like you said, it's funny then. It's not funny now.
Yeah, see, I did that. I got my rattlesnake thing on because I actually did it.
Oh yeah, the rattlesnake run. Yeah, last year in Kentucky.
Yeah. Three of us from the club did it. Everybody else went, oh man, I can't. I'm not gonna drive my car. I'm not. What? You know what? I put more miles on my car in 2 days driving up here and back than most of these guys do in 2 years.
Drove anyway.
Probably a waste of money.
Anything I spend on that car is a waste of money.
But that's just you then.
Uh-huh.
How much money on that?
I don't know.
It's got the lights and everything. Spain.
Yeah, Daytona.
Wow.
That's his 80s Monte Carlo. See, Dale never drove a first gen.
Yeah.
But that is cool.
That is cool.
One of the two. They get suspended. It's makes sense.
Red big. I see some of them for sale online that big thing, right?
Yeah, that started in '62, I think it was. When I did all this.
Exhaust manifold, so he took them off and they were kind of pitted, and I said, you know, and so he found a passenger side and I found him a left side, but he was too slow on buying it.
Yeah, it has to be done by 3.
Yeah, I like that car. It's all original. And no rust. So we're doing a poker run. I keep wanting to call it a turkey run. This year at the meet, Carlisle. Go to different places, pick up a card, and whoever's got the best hand wins.
I'm trying to stay cool.
I see what you did.
Keep the Impala cool.
Oh, okay, yeah. So you set her in there to get the card so you keep the car cool.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
just revving it up a little bit.
It's ice cold. So here's the next stop on the poker run, the Sports Emporium. The go-kart track, arcade, all that good stuff. First stop was Napa. I didn't get that on video. here we go. This will be card number 3. So we're riding along doing the poker run, and this box Chevy caught my eye, and this thing is like mint condition. It is absolutely like, I don't see where there'd be any of these left in this area of Pennsylvania. This is one fine ride here. 2-door, very rare for a to see a 2-door. Pretty blue with a dark blue interior. Very nice. 4-stop Marcello's for the card. You made it.
I made it.
What time did y'all leave?
2.
2. Did you get any sleep last night?
Yeah. I went to bed real early.
You never went to bed?
What's up, Ashley?
Oh my gosh, I'm glad y'all made it. I bet it was a nice drive, no traffic.
A lot better until it was about an hour ago. It got bad.
Oh, I bet. And probably got hot. This is the Soprano crew from Long Island. They're here. Always good to see them.
Yeah. Nope.
Oh, you doing a poker run now? Yeah. We did it earlier.
Poker run, no hair.
Yeah. Jennifer going? Oh gosh. We'll see you after a while. This is an all original car, custom. I'm digging it. Can you see the ghost American flag on the side? There's Joe Roman. I don't recognize this car. I haven't seen it in quite a while. Hadn't been to a meet. They hadn't been to a meeting in a while, so good to see them back. And Dave Ream's old car. That's another custom. And this is just a small sampling of what we'll be seeing here this weekend. There's supposed to be about 70 cars, Monte Carlos, here this weekend, and close to 80 members once it's all comes to a head on Saturday.
Not that I know of.
That's Sammy's. Paul Adams here. He was in Kentucky last year, I believe. White with blue interior. Yep. Yep. Summer Nights Cruise. So he's got the hood up on the 72 Custom now. And what I didn't know was this is a factory 454. It's one of like 1268 built in 72. I think those numbers are right, but anyway. And then it's a custom on top of that, so production had to be very, very low. You can just smell the original interior where it was closed up in a shop or something for a long time. Original splatter paint. How's it going, man?
Good, how you doing, Jerry?
You gonna look at it better?
Yeah. When we're looking at it.
Yeah. You gonna look at it better. Somebody re-chromed their grill.
Yeah. That's up your alley right there, Jared. Re-chrome grill.
Oh yeah,
Chrome and grills.
it's fancy. I love chrome. That's why I like 50s cars. A lot of chrome.
Nobody can get that. You getting the